Welcome back to my channel. This is Mark Days. In front of us right here, well, before we get into that, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you have the notification bell on so you can get notified when new videos drop. Destroy that like button for me. Puts me in the algorithm and is very helpful. We have the Mac Studio M3 Ultra in front of us now. People have ranted, they have raved, they have just gone absolutely ballistic in the last year about this machine. Now, I was working off of an iMac 27-inch. It was a late 2019. It was top of the line specs for the time, i9. I had spec'd it out to about 128 gigabytes of storage. That was maxed out, the best it could do. Had a pretty decent graphics card inside, and it had a 1 terabyte SSD. Obviously, since then, things have changed a lot. So this beauty right here, man, this hopefully is going to be a game changer. So this is the 28 core CPU, 60 core GPU model, 96 gigabytes of RAM, and a 1 terabyte SSD. I was not about to pay the Apple tax for upgrading the internals like that for what I need it for. This hopefully will be enough. I don't think I even got close to using the 128 gigabytes of RAM that I have in my iMac 27-inch, which I'm going to keep, by the way. I'll probably repurpose it, use it for something else, but it was time to upgrade. I've struggled with it for some years, but finally I caved, I gave in, and here we have this beauty in front of us today. Now, one thing we know about Apple, they will give you the bare minimums as far as accessories is concerned. You would think for a $4,000 computer, they would give you a keyboard and a mouse. The answer is no. It's not gonna happen, right? You get the unit itself and you get the power supply cable. That is it. But this is an absolute powerhouse of a machine. And for most people, it's gonna be overkill. You probably just wanna go with the M4 Max version, the base model. If you need this at all, you probably need the Mac Mini, if anything. So we got 2 Thunderbolt ports on the front, SD card reader. It's a beautiful machine, man. 4 Thunderbolt ports on the back, an Ethernet port, power supply port, 2 USB-A ports, and we have an HDMI port and a headphone jack and the power button and a not so great speaker, but it does have a speaker. Not so great, but it does have it, right? So it's a beautiful machine. Apple has mastered the aesthetically pleasing, just eye candy look of their products. It's just, I don't know. There's something about the way it looks, that iconic logo. It just lets you know I have arrived and I'm about to get into some real risky business as far as overloading this thing for what I need it for. Whether it's editing, whether it's composing, whatever I do, this thing should be able to handle it. So I'm happy about it. God bless, peace be unto you. Thank you for watching. Take care.